The key thing to realize with this elevation is the extensive use of reused or salvaged materials. All of the limestone at the building's distinctive parapet wall was salvaged from the original structure, which permits us to recreate Spanish Baroque facade. Even the clay tiles that you see on each of the gables are salvaged from other properties. Those are all made by Ludovici, which is for some time the foremost manufacturer of clay tile. And it really picks up the accent colors, which is that French Quarter course of brick above windows, and it's the header course above the 14-foot high storefront. So it really makes for an attractive and distinctive building in a town that's predominantly Tudor architecture. The other thing the building does is it bridges a gap between a 1.5-story building to the south and a full 3-story building to the north, really filling out this important part of Winnetka streetscape. Back up towards the windows. Let's get that a nice view. Trying to avoid that pole. I didn't mean the carpenter, so the electrical pole.